Discord is an instant messaging app that allows its users to communicate with each other. You can connect with friends and family, as well as others in the communities, called servers. In this video, we will show you how to send emotes, GIFs, and sticker to your friends on Discord. Open the app by tapping on its icon. Tap on the message icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the friend you want to chat with from the list. Now, tap on the emoji icon at the bottom. Here you can select the emoji you want to send to your friend. You can also tap in the search bar, and you can search for a specific emoji that you want. Tap on GIFs. Here, you can pick one of the GIFs you want to send. Similarly, as emotes, you can also search for GIFs from the search bar. You can also tap on trending GIFs. Here, you can choose from all the GIFs that are trending currently. Tap on stickers. Here, you will see all the stickers that are from Discord and servers. However, there are some stickers that require you to be a Nitro subscriber if you want to use them. Once you subscribe to Nitro, you can freely use these in any chat